It was a lovely day at Strawberry Elementary School, and all the students were working on their Valentine's boxes for Valentine's Day. Okay, children, we do have a lovely box over here. Would anybody care to have another box to work on? Oh no, Mrs. Strawberry, we have nice boxes, but thank you. Well, I guess we could just use it as a trash box. It would make a lovely trash box, and you can put all your scraps in there. Oh, so now I'm a trash box. Well, that's not nice, but I guess at least I had a purpose. Okay, children, don't forget to put your scraps in the trash box. We want to keep our room nice and neat and tidy. Oh, yes, Mrs. Raspberry. I have some scraps I'll put in the trash box. Well, thank you, Amanda. Wow. So being a trash box just means everybody dumps everything in my box. Ho-hum. Well, we're going to have some new students come in our room pretty soon, so please make them feel welcome. My goodness, those Valentine's boxes are looking so good. Now, children, it's getting late. We're going to have our new students come pretty soon, but I do need you to throw all your paints and scraps away because the tables are getting a little cluttered. And then, oh boy, they started throwing everything inside my box. Oh, there was wet painted paper towels and pipe cleaners and paint, and it was getting so itchy. There was paint everywhere. Oh my goodness, I was feeling so terrible. All I could be was a trash box. Oh, at least I had something to do. Oh, they kept throwing papers and paints on me. Somebody help me. I'm being filled with trash. Oh no, help. Okay, class, it looks a little better in here. Now, I want you to welcome our new students. They are sisters. We have Apple. Hello. And we have her sister, Acorn. Hi there. And we have little Audrey. Hello. They are new to our Strawberry Elementary School, so please welcome them. Welcome to Strawberry Elementary School. My name is Amanda. And my name is Jonathan. And my name is Ben. Very nice. Okay, why don't you gather around this table, girls? And I will find you a box for your Valentines. Okay? So the girls gathered around the table. Now then, I am missing a box here, so everybody's been working on their Valentines, and I just need to go find a box. Well, what about this box, Mrs. Raspberry? This is a nice big box. Oh, heavens, no. That's our trash box. Of course, we just put our trash in there. Oh, great. So I'm always going to be a trash box. Well, I think it'll work out very nicely, Mrs. Raspberry. Well, if you think so, I'll just take it outside and I will empty it and you can use it. Here you go, dearies. A nice clean box. I hope that works out well for you. And I hope you guys are doing okay over here, kiddos. Oh, yes, Mrs. Raspberry, because in about a half an hour, we will go ahead and put our Valentines in everybody's boxes. So we need to get going. It wasn't long before Apple, an acorn, and little Audrey started to decorate the box. The box loved to be decorated. Oh boy, I feel so loved. Look at how they decorated me. Everybody's been so nice to me. I love being a box that gets decorated for Valentine's Day. And soon it was time to put Valentines in everybody's boxes. All right, children, it looks like we're ready. So if you can put your Valentines in everybody's boxes, this would be the time. Okay, go ahead. And so the kiddos put their Valentines in everybody's boxes. And it was so exciting. What a wonderful day at Strawberry Elementary School. Hi guys! So today we're going over the letter X, which says X, X. It's like putting a K and a S together and saying X. You can hear it when you say box, box. This is X. Sounds like X. Oh, hello there, Ellie here. How are you today? It's a beautiful day. Okay, so we are going over the letter X, which says X. So let me show you something. It's kind of like two letters squished together. You remember this one? It says K, K, and this one says S. Okay, now put them together. K, S, X, X. Okay, that is how you make this sound. X. Okay, just squish those two letters together. All right, now we're going to practice it in flower. We're going to write it. We're going to start at the top over here, and you're going to draw all the way down a slide toward the honey line. Okay, so start right there. All right, go all the way down. Whee! So much fun. Lift your finger up. Start at the other corner and cross over. Yeah, there you go. There's our X. All right, off to the cover letter sheets. Voila! Here we are, cover letter time. Okay, we're going to practice writing our X in the lines. All right, now, so you're going to start with the little X. And remember, it's like squishing these two sounds together, the K and the S. X. Okay, that makes our X. All right, so we're going to start at the big cherry, go down the slide toward the honey line over here, and then the little cherry and go down the other way. Okay, the little X only takes up one space, not the top space. Oh no. And the big X takes up two spaces, the top and the bottom. Okay, let's get started. Here we go. Okay, nice. And the big X. Start at the big cherry, all the way down, then the little cherry, all the way down. Whoops, start again. And there you have it. Good job. Voila. Hi guys, it's Jerome here. I got a surprise for Ellie, and she's gonna be really surprised. Ellie, come on over here. Yes, Jerome, I've got a surprise for you. Oh, goody. I have a X for box. Oh, it's a lovely box, Jerome. Oh, yeah, but look inside of it, Ellie. Go ahead, open it up. Okay, Jerome. Oh, it's a little fox pin. I love it. I knew you'd like it. I made it for you, Ellie. It ends with x, fox. And I'm going to pin it on you, Ellie. All right, hold still. There you go. There's my fox pin for you, Ellie. Oh, thank you, Jerome. It's very cute. Hi, guys. It's me, Jerome. Guess what? It's time for letter art. Yeah, my favorite. Okay, so today we're going over the letter X, which says X, such as, assistant please, the K and S together makes this sound. X. All right, at the end of box. You remember Box from our story? Yeah, he became a Valentine's box. All right, we're going to draw a box. Okay, assistant, I need a black marker. Okay, here we go. Okay, first we're going to draw a straight line down, and then we're going to jump over and do another straight line. Yeah, now just opposite of that, same length. Okay, now draw a line across and a line across at the bottom. Okay, nice. Now we're going to do some diagonal lines. That's a diagonal. That's a diagonal. Nice, same length, and then we're going to connect them. Okay, now we're going to do the side. So we're going to do a diagonal from this corner to this corner. Same length as the top. Okay, now connect it with a straight line. Nice. Okay, we're going to draw some big eyes with some big dots. Okay, big dots. Nice. Okay, some fuzzy eyebrows. Okay, how about a little smile? Okay, now here's where we're going to put a X. You can see the top. Okay, maybe they had to use postal tape up there to extra protection when they mailed the box or something. You know how we mail boxes. Other side. Okay, there's our X, kind of hidden. Okay, now I'm going to color the box. You can color it whatever color you want. Okay, my assistant colored it brown. Most boxes are brown. And there's our box. Good job, guys. You can hear it at the end. Box. Hello there, Ellie here. I have the letter X, which says X. For, remember, X, for a little ox. Isn't he cute? Oh, yes, he's a little ox. Hi, guys. It's Jerome here. Okay, so I've got an X here that says X. You can hear it. X. It's at the end of box, like in the little picture. And I'm wearing a tux. See my tux? Yeah, it's cool, huh? Yeah, someday I may be wearing this, you know, like people wear it at weddings and fancy things. Who knows? I may marry Ellie someday and be wearing this tuxedo. But we say tux for short. You can hear it at the end. Tux.